welcome to another Blushingbb Slimes restock video. I'm so glad to have you guys here with me and just so happy to be sharing this weekend's lineup with you all. Now, this restock is going to be a little different from my usual restock. As you'll see, I'm not featuring a super wide variety of slimes like I typically do, but I'm focusing more on the slimes that you've been asking me to restock more of. I'll be stocking a much larger quantity of each slime so that you'll all have a chance to grab what you want, and promise me not to be mad at me for being sold out. But anyway, if you don't want to miss out on the restock, I have some advice for you. First, you want to make sure to mark your calendars. I'm restocking Saturday, May 12th at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to set your alarm for your time zone. Another thing I would do is, because my website is managed by Etsy, you can go to worldwideweb.etsy.com and create an account there with all your address and information filled in and ready to go, so that when I do restock, you can just add the items into your cart and check out instantly. I also realized that my restock coincides with the Slime Bash, but what this means is if you're at the Slime Bash, you can still access my shop through your phone and make your purchase very easily online. And for those of us who can't make it to Slime Bash, you guys can still purchase all the slimes you want with me, and we'll just have our own little bash right here at blushingbbslimes.com and just come hang out with me. Alright, so with all that in mind, here is everything that is going to be in my shop this Saturday. First up is, of course, Cotton Candy Snow Fizz. I can't do a restock without this one. She's basically a Blushingbb slime staple at this point. Super fizzy, crispy, fun to stretch and swirl, and she makes great bubble pops. This is scented cotton candy and the colors mix into a beautiful purple. Next up is Lemon Sugar Snow Fizz. This was a hit when I first released it in my last restock. It was inspired by lemon-infused desserts, which I love, and it's scented lemon sugar. Each order comes with a cute lemon charm as well. Barbies Party Mix is a new release for the restock. It's a semi-foam wafer cube slime scented like fluffy pink candy, which is a lovely blend of fruity cotton candy bubblegum, and it's designed to represent the colorful, fun world of Barbie. It's basically a slime interpretation of a Barbie-themed party. This cutie starts off with a glossy and clicky, vibrant candy pink base, topped with Barbie pink and Ken blue foam beads, fluffy marshmallow foam beads, faux white checked pieces, and foam strawberry wafer cubes, topped off with bright pink iridescent glitter and colorful assorted sequin glitters. The foam cubes are squishy and pretty firm, but they do not hurt your hands, and they retain their shapes really well. Next up is Willy Wonka 2.0. So you guys really seem to love Willy Wonka's breakfast cereal, and so I decided to bring it back with a twist. Here we have a glossy, rich chocolate base scented luscious hot chocolate with marshmallow foam beads, faux white and milk chocolate checks, and white and dark chocolate foam pieces. In this video, I've just poured in more add-ons into the slime, so that's why the beads appear loose, but they'll be incorporated by the time they get to you. The slime smells so good and looks so delicious. Willy Wonka would be proud. And now we have Breakfast at Tiffany's. This was of course inspired by the Tiffany's jewelry store and the movie Breakfast at Tiffany's, and the color is designed to represent the brand's robin egg blue color. So we're starting off with a glossy and clicky Tiffany's blue base, topped with mint and pastel foam beads, fluffy marshmallow foam beads, Tiffany's blue foam pieces, and matching foam wafer cubes. It's scented sweet toasted marshmallows. This slime features a soft crunch and creates amazing bubble pops. Unicorn Wafer Cubes is a favorite from the previous restock, and it's no surprise because this is just so cute. The base is a glossy and thick baby pink slime scented a blend of fluffy pink candy and bubblegum with pastel foam beads, crunchy packing peanuts, pink and blue clay sprinkles, and matching pink and blue wafer cubes. If you notice I'm struggling a bit to poke through the slime, it's because the wafer cubes all rise to the top and it's really hard to poke through a big batch when there's like 100 wafer cubes in the way. This restock, we also have Blueberry Pie Wafer Cube scented a blend of yummy blueberry cobbler and vanilla cream, featuring a thick and glossy light blue base with blue foam pieces, jumbo blue foam beads, blue clay sprinkles, blueberry wafer cubes, and these cute miniature blueberry charms. In the video, the base appears overactivated just because it's getting warmer and slime can melt and become really sticky. So this ensures that when it gets to you, it'll be just the right texture. And of course, the beads will be nice and incorporated as well. Taro Wafer Cubes holds a special place in my heart because the scent reminds me so much of all the taro snacks I had as a kid back in Thailand. It's a sweet taro scent that I blended myself and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And of course, the slime itself is divine. Here we have a glossy and thick taro milk base with dark brown foam pieces to represent boba chunks, jumbo purple foam beads, and taro wafer cubes. I'm running out of some of the scents I used to create this slime, so this may be the last time I'm stocking this one. If you've been eyeing this, I would recommend grabbing it quick. of course, we have Vanilla Funfetti Wafer Cubes, which is another favorite with you guys. The vanilla milk-based slime is scented like birthday cake, and I also added some rainbow foam beads, rainbow clay sprinkles, and white packing peanuts for extra crunch and satisfaction. This slime looks so cute, smells so delicious, and is just so satisfying to play with, so it's no wonder you guys love it so much. Next up is a new release for this restock. It's called Fairy Tale Wedding, and this slime features my new and improved frozen custard texture, which is a thick, sizzly, and soft croute cream that also fluffs up really well and makes super satisfying sizzles and pops. This is a beautiful Tiffany's blue frozen custard slime scented sweet coconut topped with holographic glitter and a little sparkly diamond charm. It's so hard to capture the holo glitter in this lighting, but it is hollow. It does reflect a complete spectrum of rainbow colors when you directly shine a light onto it. This slime has a beautiful texture and scent and is also visually stunning. And here we have a brand new slime. I'm so excited to release this one for you guys. This is Unicorn Milkshake, and it features my new mini foam pieces, which I think are so adorable. If you've been following me for a while, you remember my Starbucks Frappuccino series, which features a Frappuccino snow slime and a separate whipped cream slime. It's been discontinued, but I loved how the slime felt when it's combined. It's actually one of my favorite textures to this day. So I decided to recreate the combined texture with this new collection I'm debuting. Unicorn Milkshake features a sweet strawberry milk base with pastel foam beads, mint green mini foam pieces, pink clay sprinkles, heart confetti, and rainbow confetti sprinkles, and it also comes with a super cute rainbow charm. As you can see, this is going to be sold as one complete and combined texture, and it's got some expanding soft snow, so it's a nice and relaxing moisturizing texture. I love how cute the slime looks, and of course I'm obsessed with the texture, and I'm so glad to finally be rejuvenating one of my favorite textures in a new slime. Up next is Sincerely Spellbound, which is a clear slime with a sea of bright pink iridescent glitter, pastel heart sprinkles, heart confetti, and these squishy heart sponges. I have a limited amount of the heart sponges, so this may be the last time I'm restocking this, which breaks my heart because I love this slime so much. But if you like pink and if you like cute clear slimes, I would highly recommend to snatch this one ASAP. And another bestseller is Celestial Supernova. This one is simply stunning. Designed to represent a brilliant supernova, this slime starts off with a super glossy midnight black clear slime base to represent the darkness of the galaxy, with a spectrum of beautiful rainbow glitters to represent the tiny bits of colorful stardust from a supernova explosion, as well as sparkling silver and golden stars and gorgeous color-shifting pearls. I love how the rainbow glitters look amidst the glossy black base, and the pearls just add a dazzling pop to the slime. I feel relaxed just looking at it. And last but certainly not least, we have Mickey's Tea Party Cloud Mousse. I can't not stock this one because I love the cloud mousse texture, and it's such a versatile texture for everyone. It's so creamy yet airy, and it fluffs up so well for amazing bubble pops and sizzles. This is scented like vanilla ice cream, and it's got rainbow Mickey sprinkles and a super cute Mickey biscuit charm that says "I love you" in a randomly selected color. Alright guys, so that is what's going to be in my shop this Saturday, May 12th at noon Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be stocking almost twice as much of each slime as I usually do, so I hope you guys will be able to purchase the slimes you want this time around. I currently ship to the United States, Canada, the UK, and Australia, and all orders from each restock will be shipped out the following Saturday. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and all the slimes I showed, and I hope to see you guys at worldwideweb.blushingbbslimes.com for my restock this weekend. If you did enjoy the video, I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That would really help me out a lot, and it would just make my day. I know I've been doing a lot of restock videos since a lot of you like them, but I also want to do a lot more variety of videos for you guys. I just haven't had the time to do them, but I have so many ideas that I'm brainstorming, and I'm so excited to be sharing them with you. Anyway, I will definitely be back with more content for you. I wish you all a great day, and I'll catch you guys again soon. Bye!